Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can attach a picture or a photo when you are sending a text message on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On the home screen, tap on the text messaging app. Next, we're going to open up the text conversation. So here I already have a text conversation. I can tap on that. Or if you want to start a new chat or a new text message, you can tap on start chat, and then you put in the phone number or a contact name, and then we can start a new text conversation. In here, in order for you to attach a photo or an image, you tap on this icon over here on the left hand side. It is an image that has the camera icon. See, you tap on that. So you tap on that, and the first option is the camera. So you can use the camera to take a photo right here, and that allows you to take a photo, and then you can tap on attach. So you can use the camera to take a photo instantly at that moment. Otherwise, you can go to gallery. So you can tap on gallery here, and we'll open up a list of gallery. In your gallery, you can select a photo that you like to attach. So say I want to attach this photo right here. You can attach one or multiple photos, so that's up to you. And then tap on the back key. So we have selected 2 photos, and you can also add some text in there. This is my city. Okay, that didn't get it right, so city, and then full stop, and then tap on the send button. And that's how you can send out a text message with photos attachment on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.